Bonjour! Today we're going to be learning about la cuisine, learning about food. Here are some foods. Les frites, le poulet, le pain, le fromage, le poisson, la glace. Écoutez et répétez. So you're going to listen and repeat. Les frites, le poulet, le pain, le fromage, le poisson, la glace. Today we're learning about how to say that we like something or we don't like something. So if we like something, j'aime. If we don't like something, je n'aime pas. Écoutez et répétez. J'aime. Je n'aime pas. Now I'm going to practice saying things I like and things I don't like. J'aime les frites. Je n'aime pas le poulet. J'aime le pain. Je n'aime pas la glace. J'aime le fromage. Je n'aime pas le poisson. In your jotter, we'd like you to draw a plate and draw a few things that you like. J'aime. On the outside of the plate, you can draw a few things that you don't like. Je n'aime pas. Look forward to seeing the foods that you like and don't like. Au revoir.